Hello everyone, welcome to Georgia. First stop is Tbilisi. Exploring the old and new town of Tbilisi is a must. Here you can discover impressive architectural buildings. One of the old Tbilisi's most emblematic structures is the clock tower. On an hour, an angels pop out of the door and strike the bell outside with a hammer. This structure consists of two cylindrical buildings. This concert hall as well as the Bridge of Peace are the most striking example of modern architecture in the historic center of the city. This cable car swings from the south end of Reich Park high over the Mount Kavari River and Old Town up to Narikala Fortress. These strange brick domes are Tbilisi's famed sulfur baths, the Abano Tobani. Alexander Dumas, one of the few famous people, bathed here. Peace Bridge is an elegant glass and steel footbridge over the Mount Kavari. The access here is lined with cafes and galleries, and it is popular during nighttime. Located in Caucasus Mountains, the Sinbali Dam is near Ananuri Fortress. Visitors enjoy its serene landscape with its turquoise waters. Ananuri Fortress. This fortress, 66 kilometers north of Tbilisi, is a classic example of beautiful old Georgian architecture. Enhanced by the Sinbali Dam, within the fortress are two 17th century churches, the large of which, the Assumption Church, is covered with wonderful stone carving. Going from Tbilisi to Stefansminda, you cannot miss this monument to commemorate the friendship between Russia and Georgia. It is a large round stone overlooking the Devil's Valley in the Caucasus Mountains. These beautiful colored rocks with mineral water springs are located on the Georgian Military Road. The minerals in the water have imparted strange colors to the rocks. You can see water dripping over the rocks. Across the road there is a spring where you can drink. The Trinity Church is said to be one of the most beautiful and remarkable churches in the world. It is located on top of the mountain at the elevation of 2,170 meters above sea level. This remarkable cave city of Varzia is my most favorite site in our Georgian holiday. King Georgi III built a fortification here in the 12th century, and his daughter Queen Tamar established a cave monastery that grew into a holy city, housing perhaps 2,000 monks. Its inhabitants live in rock dwellings over 13 floors. Altogether, there are over 400 rooms, 13 churches, and 25 wine cellars. More are still being discovered. This area was celebrated for its ethnic and religious diversity and tolerance. In a frontier area where different empires, kingdoms, and peoples met. Rabati today still has Georgian Orthodox, Armenian Apostolic and Catholic churches, a synagogue, and a mosque. The eastern region of Kakheti is Georgia's premium wine producing area. Almost everywhere you go, you'll be invited to drink a glass of wine, and it's easy to find yourself wandering around in a semi-permanent mellow haze. Kakheti is also rich in history. Here you'll find the incredible monastery complex of David Gereha. the hilltop town of Signaghi, and many beautiful churches, castles, and mansions around the main town, Tel Aviv. So this got me thinking how to pour this tea in this cup. There is no filter and it's closed like this, and there's no filter. So this is how you do it. You just have to put the bottom of the teapot here and there. What? I hope you enjoy my video of our Georgian holiday. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye.